It's one small step for man, one giant leap for mankind.
That's one small step for a man, one giant leap for mankind. Neil Armstrong's first words as he steps onto the moon. Man's triumphant adventure. I am astronaut Frank Borman, one of the privileged few who have flown to the moon. The Heavenly Choir you hear, telemetry from satellites, begins on October the 4th, 1957, with the simple birth cry of Soviet Union's Sputnik 1. America's first successful satellite, Explorer 1, rises into the night sky on January the 31st, 1958.
Говорит Москва.
Radio Moscow, April 1961.
Юрия Алексеевича Гагарина, спутника «Восток».
The first man speaks from Earth orbit, cosmonaut Yuri Gagarin. His people and the world sing his praise.